The striped shiner has several distinct features. It has a compressed body with large scales. Its name is based on the stripes that run along its upper body, as seen best in the top picture. When this fish is viewed from above, the stripes from each side form V's right before its tail is reached. Larger individuals, like the one in the bottom photo, may have dark crescent-shaped patterns on their sides. They normally have yellow on their fins and bodies as shown in the top photo, but during breeding season, males have been noted to have pink or red pigmentation in these areas, as shown in the bottom photo. They're found throughout central North America, including the Great Lakes and much of the Mississippi River Basin. Viewers should note, however, that the striped shiner has two subspecies, which have distributions approximately split by the 34 north latitude line. The northern subspecies is usually found above that line, while its southern counterpart is more common below it. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description. Tight lines, everyone.